Hey guys, welcome to another video with me. Today I'm going to show you how you can create AI voice agent for yourself, for your business, or even you can sell them to your local businesses, and you will be able to fully automate their front desk reception. So in order to make our AI voice agent, we are going to use two platforms. The first one is VAPI, which allows us to build these AI voice agents. And as a backend to back up our AI voice agent, we are going to use n8n. Already you may know what is n8n if you are following my channel. n8n is a workflow builder. Basically, it's a no-code workflow builder that you can simply connect all of your services outside in the internet together, and you will be able to run a workflow and pass data from another service to the other service. So in order to create an account for yourself on VAPI, I'm going to put a link down in the description. Just click on that link and go to vapi.ai. Create one account for yourself, and they will give you 10 credits for free. So it is more than enough to play around in VAPI and build some agents and test everything. Right now you can see I have 3 credits left because for past few days I was building agents and I was testing the environment. So once you are in from the left side menu, you can see you have assistants, workflows, outbound calls, tools, files, even you can get phone numbers, and you can also bring your whole team here inside VAPI. So go to assistants because we want to create an assistant for ourselves. And as you can see, I have created 4 assistants here. Is a car dealership, and the other one is the other 2 actually is for dental clinic, and one I made for a locksmith agent where a person or our AI agent, our AI voice agent picks up the phone and talk to a person who needs a locksmith. But don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your assistant and connect it to n8n in order to get some data from, for example, Google Sheet or from your calendar and feed it inside your AI voice agent. So your voice AI agent can access to different platforms of yours and to be able to answer a customer's question better. But before we jump in, let me show you how these AI voice agents are working. So if I want to show you the locksmith agent, from here, if I click talk to assistant, I can connect to my assistant and I can talk to him.
Locksmith Services, how can I help you today?
Hey, I just got locked out of my car. I need a locksmith to come over and open the door for me.
No problem, I can help you with that. It sounds like you're locked out of your car, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
To help you quickly, thank you for confirming. To help you as quickly as possible, can you please tell me your exact location or address where you're locked out?
Yeah, my exact location is 1234 Northwest Avenue in Dallas, Texas.
Thank you for that. And may I have your name, please?
My name is Alex.
Thank you, Alex. Could I also get the best phone number to reach you in case the technician needs to call?
Yeah, sure. My phone number is 555-666-7788.
Thank you, Alex. Lastly, could you please let me know the make and model of your vehicle?
Yeah,
this will help our technician prepare.
Yes, my car is a 2020 Ford Fusion.
Goodbye. Okay,
yeah, obviously this is not what we want. It says goodbye, but because I didn't finish the prompt, so after that, this AI agent should say that no problem, the technician is on the way, and we will be there as soon as possible. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how these AI voice agents are working. You see that how it sounded real as a real person. So we step by step took all the necessary information for the technician to arrive on site and help the customer. But at the end, because I didn't finish its prompt, I should change it, and at the end the agent should say that no problem, I got all the information I need, I'm going to pass it to my technician, and our technician will call you and will be there as soon as possible. Goodbye. So now you see that how these AI voice agents are working. So let me actually show you another one which you call a dental clinic, and you want to book an appointment, and the AI voice agent has access to our calendar and can see what time is free in order to book the appointment for the customer. So let me show you this one. Yeah, this one for the Golden Dental Clinic, and let's talk to our assistant.
Hello, this is Sarah from Golden Dental Clinic. How can I help you?
Hey Sarah, I would like to book an appointment for tomorrow for a cleaning.
I'd be happy to schedule that for you. May I have your name and a preferred time tomorrow for your cleaning?
Yeah, sure. My name is Alex and 12 p.m. works best.
Thank you, Alex. Let me check our availability for a cleaning appointment tomorrow at 12 p.m. Could you also provide a contact number or email for your appointment confirmation and reminders?
Sure. My phone number is 555-666-7788.
Perfect. Thank you, Alex. I'm reserving a cleaning appointment for you tomorrow at 12 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation and reminder at 555-666-7788. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Questions about our services or directions to the clinic?
No, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Alex. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow at 12 p.m. We'll text you a reminder. Have a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And yeah, that was the AI receptionist for a dental clinic. And when I say goodbye, the AI receptionist has this ability to end up the call. So what happened here exactly is that I talked to an AI voice agent. Obviously, I know that this is an AI agent, but if someone else talked to this person, they cannot say the difference. So I called this dental clinic and I wanted to book an appointment for a cleaning for tomorrow, 12 o'clock. And what our AI did is she grabbed all the information, and once she had all information, she went and looked inside the calendar that I gave the access to. And once she sees that we have a free time for tomorrow, for example 12 o'clock, she will get back to us and she will tell us that the time is free and the appointment is confirmed and booked. This is whole the story. But obviously we need to give access to our AI agent. So in order to do that, we are using n8n no-code platform to receive and sends data back to our AI agent. And let me show you how we can do that. So once you are on Assistant tab, you can click here on this button. It says Create Assistant. And from here, you can choose a template for yourself, or you can create your assistant totally from scratch. Here they have customer support specialist, lead qualification specialist, appointment scheduler, or info collector, feedback gatherer, or care coordinator. So here you can also change your assistant name. Let me, for example, just as a demonstration, I put demo assistant. And if you don't choose any of these, you can create it from scratch. So if you click on create assistant, it will create this assistant for you. And here we need to change some settings. So here we have the model, our voice, the transcriber, tools, analysis, and advanced. I'm going to walk you through all of them, and I'll tell you what you can do in order to get the best result for your assistant. So under the model, we obviously need to choose our model. For the best result, I always use OpenAI. And but they have also another LLMs like Azure or Anthropic, Google, or Grok. But for this video and always I use OpenAI. But remember, you don't have to create your API key with OpenAI. They cover all the costs, and at the end I will show you how much a call would cost me using VAPI and n8n. So if you choose OpenAI as a provider, you can choose some models, but here they will tell you which one is the cheapest, which one is the fastest. So based on your need, you can choose your model. As of now, I'm gonna go with GPT 4.1 Nano, which is the latest one and also the cheapest one. And here you can also choose the first message. So if you want your assistant to talk first, you need to choose assistant speak first, or assistant should wait for the user to talk, or assistant speaks first with model generated message which we gave to our assistant. So here I'm going to use assistant speaks first, and here you can write the first message that your assistant wants to say. So for example, you can say, hello, how can I help you today? Or obviously based on your need or your business or the client that you are working, you can tweak this message and customize it for that business. So yeah, this is the first message that assistant, when they pick up the phone, they say, hello, how can I help you today? And here you need to write a system prompt or system instruction for your assistant to be able to read. So if you hover on this, you see that it says the system prompt can be used to configure the context, role, even personality, instructions, and so on for the assistant. So I'm not going to make it difficult for you. You can use ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a system prompt for your AI voice agent based on your need or based on the business that you are working. Another way to put a system prompt here is by clicking generate, and here you will tell VAPI exactly what kind of assistant you need. You will just give it in English, and once you put your information here, you can click submit, and VAPI will generate a system prompt for you. Or if you want to make your system prompt better or edit it, you can also write whatever you want, and VAPI will use AI again and edit your prompt to be better and better. So if you scroll down here, you have files. You can upload your files, your knowledge base, some FAQs, or for example, some Google Sheet or Google document, and you can upload it here and give it to your assistant, so assistant can go there and find the answers inside those files. And here you can also modify the temperature. The temperature is the randomness for the assistant. So if you click here, you see that it says the temperature is used to control the randomness of the output. So if you want your answers to become more random, you can use a higher temperature, but if you want your answers to be exactly the way you want, you can decrease the temperature. For example, for demonstration, I always use 0.3 or 0.4 for the temperature, and the max token is actually the tokens that your assistant wants to use. Depending on the business, you can change this, but for this kind of assistant that I use for as a AI receptionist or for some small businesses, I keep these tokens between 250 to 300. So after that, it is voice, and you have voice configuration. Basically, you can choose the voice inside VAPI. VAPI also has their own voice AI agent, and besides that, they also have integration with 11 Labs and DeepGram, and also OpenAI and Azure, which all of them are the voices that you can use inside VAPI. But to keep it as simple as possible and professional, I found VAPI the best. So if you click on VAPI, here you have some voices. You have Cole, Harry, Spencer, Neha, and you can see what are they exactly. So Neha is a 30-year-old female and is Indian, and is very professional. So depending on your need, you can choose it. It is very simple. These settings are very simple. I'm gonna show you the difficult settings. So here you have additional configuration. You can also add a background voice. I don't know if you could determine it, but for the both of my assistant that I showed you, I was using an office background. It makes it more natural. But if you don't want to use the office, you can use custom, and you can bring another voice background here, put the URL, and make it more realistic. So the next setting is the transcriber. Obviously, we want to know what exactly happening in the calls after the call is ended. So here VAPI allows us to choose a transcriber for our calls, and it transcribes all the messages between the AI voice agent and our customer. So if you click here, you can see they have again so many providers for it: 11 Labs, OpenAI, Google. But what I found the best, and I also was checking in the YouTube and see what people are using. So I found DeepGram the best transcriber inside VAPI. So if you choose this, and here also you can change the language for your transcriber, and you can choose the model based on the provider you are choosing. You can choose the models. You can go to DeepGram website and see what are the latest models, and choose it from there. Here you also have other options to filter out the voice that is coming from the user. You can turn it off, turn it on based on your need. And here it says confidence threshold. This is for your transcriber. To be honest, I didn't touch it, and everything works fine, but feel free to move things around and see what works for you the best. And the next one is to use numerals. Basically, you can convert numbers from words to digits in transcribers. So when the user says 2, you can choose to write exactly number 2 or TWO inside the transcription. So under the tools, you can give access to other tools to your AI voice agent. For example, you can make a tool that your AI voice agent can use it as a calendar or as a booking inside your calendar. Obviously, it says that tools enable voice bots to perform actions during calls. So if you want your voice AI agent to make an action, for example, inside your Gmail or inside your Google account or Google Calendar, you can create a tool and give the access. I'm going to show you how you can do that because for the dental clinic assistant, I use a tool which allows my AI voice agent to go and check the calendar and come back and says that, for example, we have an available spot in our calendar, let's book it. And also you can book directly inside my calendar. So we have predefined function. Yeah, this is obvious. It says enable to end the call. If you want your assistant to finish the call and end the call in order not to lose tokens and API calls, you can do that. You can give the access to your AI voice agent, and you can tell that once you understand that the call has to end, call this function and end the call. So the next setting is actually forwarding the forwarding phone number. If you want your assistant to forward a call to a human, you can put your phone number here and you can ask your AI voice agent that whenever you understand that the call needs to be forwarded, just forward it to this phone number. For example, I can forward it to my phone number here and I can pick it up the phone and continue talking to our customer or client. So here we have some custom functions. These are more complex. I'm not going to cover in this video, but if you are a professional already using VAPI, if you want to see more videos like more complex tutorials on these fields, just comment down below. I'm gonna read them and I'm gonna answer them as soon as possible, and I'll see what I can do to make a tutorial for you. So the next one is analysis. Here we have summary, success evaluation, structured data. So again, these are very complex things or settings that we can tweak. Here you can prompt your AI voice agent, so whenever the call is ended, they can go and check what they can refine for the next call to be better. So here exactly you can do that. Success evaluation, it says evaluate if your call was successful or not. Yeah, these settings are amazing in VAPI if you are using it as a professional. But if you want to just start and give it a go and make your first AI voice agent, you definitely don't need to touch these settings. So the next one is advanced. Again, this is advanced. This is for the privacy of the call. Here we have HIPAA compliance, which is for some regulations in Europe, I guess. And we have another settings here. We have audio recording, audio format recording. We don't touch, everything stays the same. And here actually there are settings that it is good to tweak. So here it says that a start speaking plan, and this is a plan for when the assistant should start talking. So obviously we have wait seconds, we have smart end pointing. So below every settings it exactly says what are these settings for. So for example, wait seconds is it says that this is how long assistant waits before speaking. So you can change it to 1 second, 2 seconds. The assistant will wait 1 second and then start speaking. So the smart endpointing is the enabled for more accurate speech endpoint detection. So for example, if you turn it off, your assistant will detect the endpoint of the sentence for the user. And the next one is on punctuation sound. This is the minimum seconds to wait after transcription ending with a punctuation. You can tweak it, but I'm going to show you my settings so you don't have to do it. My settings are the best, and you can pause the video and you can copy my settings. The next one is on no punctuation sounds. You can leave it, I'm going to show you. And on number sounds, again, you can leave it. Here you can change the setting for your voicemail. It configures how the assistant detects and handles the voicemail. So this is for when your assistant is outbounding the call or calling the customer. So assistant will call the customer, and if the customer doesn't answer, it goes to voicemail. Assistant can detect whether this is a voicemail or not to just start the. So for example, assistant will call the customer, but customer doesn't answer and goes to voicemail. And you know, some people, they have crazy voicemails. So the assistant will understand that this is a voicemail and it needs to talk the way it has to be for the voicemail. It will not start a conversation like with a real human. So the next one is stop speaking plan, call timeout. Yeah, these are all the settings that you can tweak, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you what you can do here in order to get the best result. So let's just quickly go to my Golden Dental Clinic, and I'm going to show you the settings. You can pause the video and copy all the settings for your AI voice assistant. So right now we are inside my Golden Dental Clinic, the second assistant that I made. So you see that here I have the prompt. I obviously got it from the business that I was working with, and you can always check it with ChatGPT, make it better and better. So here we don't have any files for the temperature. This one I'm using 0.7, the max token is 250, and I'm using the voice from VAPI, and I'm using also the office background noise. And for the transcriber is the same. I told you I'm using DeepGram. The model is Nova 3. And here I have the background denoising enabled, which filters out the user's sound. So here is everything the same. For the tools, I'm using two tools. One is appointment check. This is for assistant to check if the appointment is available, the time. And the second tool is appointment book. So the assistant can call or use this tool in order to book the appointment inside my calendar. So I'm going to show you how you can set these tools, and I'm going to show you how you can use n8n for backend. And predefined function, yeah, I enable the end call function. I don't use any call forwarding. I don't use custom functions. For the summary or analysis, I don't use anything. This is not for now. And for the advanced, I'm not using anything here, but this auto recording is enabled by default. So start the speaking plan. Yeah, for the wait second, I put it on 0.5. So it means that half a second my assistant will wait and then start talking. And for the smart end pointing, I'm using VAPI. You can also, if your AI voice agent is talking in English or the conversation is in English, you can also use LiveKit, but VAPI is the best. So for voicemail, I don't use voicemail for now. For the stop speaking plan, number of words, I put it on 2. The voice seconds, basically this is the seconds the customer has to speak. Okay, so this is the seconds that customer has to speak, so our assistant will stop. So imagine that assistant is talking and we want to say something. So if the customer speaks for 0.2 seconds, the assistant will stop speaking and start listening. So the next one is back off seconds. This is the seconds to wait before the assistant will start talking again after being interrupted. So this one I put it on 0. Next one is call timeout settings. So here I put it on 10 seconds, and I'm telling that if for 10 seconds the client is not talking, you can drop the call, you can end the call, because I don't want to lose my credits and my APIs token. And the maximum duration for the call, you can set it for whatever you want. Based on my need and for the businesses that I work, I put it on 600 seconds. So the next one is actually keypad input. Here everything is the same. I think it's on default, you don't have to touch it. For the messaging, here we don't actually touch anything. Everything should be the same. Under the messaging, you can also put an end call message. So this is the message that the assistant will say if the call is ended. So that's why the first assistant, the locksmith one, says goodbye. But obviously you can also put all of your system prompts inside the system prompt for assistant. So if you want your assistant to say thank you for calling us, goodbye, you can also put it here, and you can also put it inside the system prompt here. Here. So here let's look at our system prompt. So this is for a dental clinic, and I'm saying that your name is Sarah, your role is AI voice facilitator for inbound agents for a Golden Dental Clinic, and this should be your tone. This is your core responsibility. You should book appointment, you should answer customers questions, you should handle FAQ based on the information that I give you. And for emergency protocol, I gave some instructions. We have compliance and privacy here. We have the script guidelines, we have limitations, and at the end I'm giving it a personality touch just to sound it more natural with our customers. So now for the tools. If you want your AI voice agent to be able to perform actions in whatever you want, it can be Gmail, it can be calendar, you need to give access to the tool. So how we can do that? We can give access these tools by sending a webhook to our n8n. So here on n8n, I create a workflow which receives a webhook from VAPI and process the message and sends back to VAPI or our AI voice agent another message using again webhook. So this one I created is an appointment check. Basically what it does, when a customer says that I want to book an appointment for example tomorrow 12 o'clock, our AI voice agent should check the calendar and see if that time is available. So once it detects that customer wants to book appointment, it will send all the necessary messages with the webhook to this workflow. We will receive it here. We will give the information, which is time and name and exactly time for the appointment and the name of the customer. We will give it to our AI agent. Here our AI agent has the access to our calendar. It will check inside the calendar if that time or date is free. If it is free, or if it is not free, then it will our AI agent will send a message back to VAPI, our voice AI agent, and says that no, the time is not ready, or the time is ready. Then our AI agent in VAPI will see the message and tell to client or user, it will tell that unfortunately the time is not available, you can book another time, or yeah, great, I have good news for you, the time is available, let's book it. So this is for to check the appointment. And the next tool that I give to my AI agent is the appointment book. So whenever the customer says that yes, go ahead and book appointment for example tomorrow 12 o'clock, then our voice AI agent from VAPI will send a webhook message to this n8n workflow with all the necessary fields and data. Basically we are passing name, and besides name we are passing the time for the requested time by the user. So we will give the time and the name to our AI agent, and we tell our AI agent here that hey, this is the customer name and this is the time they want, go ahead inside the calendar and book it. And once it is booked, our AI agent will send another message using this webhook to VAPI, to our AI voice agent, saying that the appointment is confirmed. And our AI voice agent will tell the user, great, I have great news for you again, we confirmed your booking, you are all set, we will see you tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, whatever they requested. Yeah, this is our backend, and this is our front end. This is the front end that they talk to our AI voice agent, and our AI voice agent has the access to the tools on the backend inside the n8n, and will take action inside our calendar here. So let me show you quickly how you can set up these tools. You need to come here under the tools tab, and here you can create tools. So for this one, it is a function tool. So if you click on function, you can also see that you can create other tools like send text, API request, transfer call, end call. You can use MCP servers, you can use Google Sheet and Slack. So for this one, I'm gonna use a function tool which I built here. So the first one, I put the name appointment check. Here I give it a description. It says that call this tool to check the time date of the appointment it is requested by the customer or client. So you don't need to do anything much here. For the parameters, we need to here I have two parameters. Basically one is the name and the other one is the requested time. So our AI voice agent will grab the name, put it here, and will grab the requested time from the user and put it here, and we'll send it to our n8n workflow here. So here I give this server URL, which is my exactly, let me see, this one is appointment check. Yeah, so this is the URL for my webhook. I copy it here. It should be the post method. I put it here. You don't need to put secret token. This is for authentication. And once everything is done, you click save. So the next tool is the appointment book. This is the tool for booking appointment inside the calendar. Here I give it a description. It says call this tool to book an appointment. So AI agent will call this tool when it wants to book an appointment inside the calendar. Again, scroll down here. We need again two things. We need name and we need the requested time. The AI voice agent will put the name here and the requested time here, and we'll send it to this address, which is the other workflow, which is the appointment book. And this is the URL. It is a post method. I copy this and put it here, and you click save. Once you're done, once you created your tools inside VAPI, then again you need to go back to your assistant. You need to choose the assistant you want, and under the tools tab you need to give the access to these tools. So click here. So right now, as you can see, I already gave the access to my AI agent. It has access to appointment check and appointment book. And once you do that, you need to go back to your prompt, and you need to tell your AI voice agent inside your prompt to whenever I should use these tools. So here you can see inside my prompt, I'm saying that to book an appointment, use the tool, and this is the tool name, exactly same as inside VAPI. This is the name I gave it to the tools tab. I put appointment underscore book, and you should put the exact name here. The other one is this one, to check for available spots. Use the tool appointment check. So and I'm telling that when scheduling, get availabilities first. So whenever agent is scheduling a meeting or appointment, it should get the availabilities first. It should first check the appointment underscore check tool. So you click update here, and boom, that's it. You already gave your AI voice agent the access to the tool. Now you need to go inside n8n and build this workflow for yourself, or whatever workflow you want. So but don't worry, if you want the same workflow, you can download both of them for completely free inside my VAPI community. Let me actually show you. So the link to our community is down in the description. Just click on that link and you will land on this page. This is our community. We have a paid one and we have a free one. You are welcome on both of them, and once you join our community, you can download those two workflows inside n8n for completely free. So let's go back inside VAPI. Yeah, everything I told you here about the prompts. Yeah, and once you download both templates for n8n, just open a new workflow, and from here click on these three dots and click on import from file, and just upload your file here, and this workflow will be here. But you need to actually change your settings, your URL, webhook URL, and put yours inside VAPI tools. So that's it. Let me also show you how these workflows are working. So by going to tools, and under every tools, you need to make sure that if you want to go live, you need to make sure that you are using the production URL, not the test URL. So right now I want to show you the test. That's why I'm going to use the test URL. So I'm going to copy the test URL, and this is for the appointment book. So let's go here and put it here. So click save, and let me deactivate it because I want to test it. And again, for this one, let me deactivate it, and yeah, I'm gonna grab this test URL, and this was for appointment check. So let's go to appointment check and change the URL to test URL, and now we are able to see live action of our AI voice agent. So now it is saved. Let's go to our assistant. This is the assistant I want to show you, and for that I'm gonna click here to start talking to our assistant, but I'm gonna go to our workflow in n8n and I'll show you how this is processed.
Thank you for calling Golden Clinic. This is Sarah. How may I help you today?
Hey Sarah, I would like to book an appointment for tomorrow 12 o'clock for cleaning.
I'd be happy to help you book an appointment for tomorrow at 12 o'clock for a cleaning. May I have your name, please, so I can check the availability for you?
Yes, my name is Alex.
Just a sec. Alex, the appointment for tomorrow at 12 o'clock is available. Would you like me to go ahead and book this time for your cleaning?
Yes, sure, book it for tomorrow. Thank you.
Just a sec. Goodbye.
Okay, yeah, obviously we need to change that goodbye message. You see, you get the point, but you were able to see that how our AI voice agent will call this tool to check the availability and get back data. And again, once I confirm that go ahead and book this time for me, it will call this tool, and it will take action inside the calendar, and it will tell us that, hey, I confirmed. Your appointment is confirmed, and we'll see you tomorrow. But we actually need to do one more thing, because I'm for sure I remember that I put it inside. Yeah, you see that I put it inside the prompt. It says that before ending the call, always say thank you for choosing Golden Dental Clinic and have a great day, and then call the end call function tool to end the call. So basically this is how I'm telling that, hey, finish the call with this sentence and then call this tool to end the call. But for some reason, I don't know why it keeps saying goodbye and hang up, and I guess this is because of the messaging here. that says the end call message. Yeah, we need to obviously change this end call message to the way I want. Yeah, you see that it says that this is the message that assistant will say if the call is ended. So yeah, definitely pay attention to this, and don't forget to put whatever message you want your AI voice agent to say here. That's it for this video, guys. I really appreciate you made it so far watching this video. Don't forget to check out my VAPI community in order to get those templates for completely free. Again, we have the paid community and the free community. You are welcome on both of them. The link to it is down in the description. If you enjoyed this video, just give it a like and share it with someone who you think they need it. And if you want to see more videos like this on tutorial how to make AI voice agent or AI agent, don't forget to subscribe so whenever I publish a new video, you don't miss it. That's it. I wish you a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.